Canonbury Products is a specialist foot care supplies company established some 27 years ago by myself. We have a variety of products, both hardware and software, that we supply to NHS podiatrists and the private sector. As I say, the company's been established 27 years ago and is generally considered as the market leader in its field. We have products such as treatment couches, autoclaves, sterilisation equipment in general, instruments, consumables listed are surgical dressings, creams, and again, instrumentation. Not only do we supply the professional podiatrist, some 5 years ago we started a company called Simply Feet, whereby we supply the consumer. Simply Feet has online ordering facilities whereby patients, on advice by their NHS podiatrist, can either download information by condition, if not product name. Foot complaints are leading causes for hospitalization for diabetic sufferers. It is estimated that 15% of all diabetics have developed serious foot complaints at some time. In the most severe cases, and if neglected, this can cause to amputation of toes, feet, and in the worst cases, even legs. In 2008, our company, together with our manufacturer of orthotics, Vasili, sponsored a seminar by the name of New Concepts and Treatments for the Diabetic Foot. This lecture was presented by two leading American podiatrists, Dr. David Armstrong and Dr. Larry Lavery. Many of our practitioners in the UK benefited from the knowledge of the clinical practices of these two leading podiatrists. A very important part of our job is to evaluate products suitable for those who suffer with diabetes. Simply Feet, for that reason, lists a whole variety of products. Patients can source by either condition, if not product name. This done with the diabetic patient in mind. We make diabetics aware that they are high-risk cases and need regular podiatric care. In addition to sourcing suitable products for those who suffer with diabetes, we've brought to the market specialist foot creams such as Dermatonics and Achildia, specialists in their particular field. Notably, as far as orthotics is concerned, Vasili Armstrong orthotics that reduce shear, that should be avoided by diabetes sufferers. And lastly, and maybe not least, Dr. Comfort footwear, suitable and specifically manufactured with the diabetic in mind. Dr. Comfort shoes are widely available through the NHS podiatry departments. Equally, we provide services to the private practitioners. Sizing is of very great importance. Therefore, those practitioners will have Brennick devices which measure both width, depth and length of the foot. And diabetic will know how important it is to choose the right size. We consider ourselves to be a one-stop shop as far as podiatry is concerned. We carry a whole range of heavy equipment such as treatment couches, chairs, medical cabinetry, magnifying lights, sterilisation equipment, including the latest autoclaves, and as far as the diabetic patient is concerned, diagnostic equipment, Dopplers, tuning forks, monofilaments. We carry a vast range of consumables, orthotics, to mention one, insoles, foot creams, and every single thing that a podiatrist would use in their routine daily treatments. Offering a complete range of both equipment and consumables is one thing. Offering an excellent service is another, and we believe we do exactly that. We cover the UK with a sales team of 5, extensively. A dedicated service team is based in Blackpool. 3 guys who look after both servicing and repairs of equipment supplied by Canonbury. We aim to help those who suffer with diabetes in 2 ways. One, through the intermediary of healthcare professionals, and 2, through our business-to-consumer service, Simply Feet. We aim to get our message across by advertising products in the Diabetic Foot Journal. We also attend just about every conference available, specifically with diabetes in mind. And lastly, we offer training sessions for specific products. The best example of that would be the Dr. Comfort training session we ran recently, where proper shoe fitting is of the utmost importance. We take our job very seriously. Advertising through Balance magazine is a priority. This benefits those who suffer with diabetes. Also, we use a PR agency that highlights important issues for those who suffer with diabetes. And lastly, we offer free Simply Feet and Dr. Comfort catalogues extensively through NHS waiting rooms. We here at Canonbury care about feet. Foot health is essential to overall health and well-being, to mobility, independence and general quality of life. I'm confident that we will continue to expand our range to improve the treatment options available to those people suffering with diabetes.